Hello friends, please subscribe my channel. Today, do you know how to join the garden? Today we are making this. So let's start. First, we need to let's open the garden 32 gardens villas. I will tell you how to open it. Slowly down. So you don't want to open on by yourself. Then garden here, then broken. Now, first I will all the pieces, then I will join. I am opening the pieces. Do you know how to open it? You need to help with mommy. Now, this is all finished. Now, the trees, this, and this flowers. Do you like this one, flowers? Okay, I know you like this one. So you like this one, flowers. First, we need to join the house. Now, we join the house. Now, let's join this. I will tell you how to join this. We are joining. Let's join necklace. I will tell you how to join. I know you know how to join. You can do it. Now we are joined this. Now let's join this one table. Let's join the plants hanging. Now let's push it. We push it. We did it. Now that one, this. Now let's turn this. We join this. Now let's put the grass. We put the grass. Now that one. This. Let's put some first tree. put some tree first. That's one. Now let's put some tree. We put now that one. Now that one. This. We done. Now it's friends, look, this is my final look. This is my final look. When you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.